In this corner, Black Dragon. In that corner, Blue Crusher. Attack! Roar! Hex Stadium is packed today with an attendance of 4. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's raining! Rain is falling down in the form of stars. Holy crud. It's raining like crazy. Like crazy rain. Man. Oh no. Let's take an intermission and get the rain off of the field. The Black Crusher is back. I mean, the Black Dragon. The Blue Dragon Crusher is also back. They are attacking each other to the death. What is this? Flying from the sky. Is it a bird? It's a plane? No, it's a spear thing. Shoot. Where did it go? Oh my gosh. It's attacking the people. Oh my gosh, the Blue Crusher Dragon. Okay, it all seems to be going okay. Oh no. I hear it. The spinner. Oh my gosh, it is attacking the Blue Dragon Crusher thing. Blah. Oh, it's going backwards because it doesn't know how to walk. And then it goes this way. Earthquake. It was trapped in the middle. Okay. It all seemed to be going well. Security has gotten the blue-green dragon thingy. Orange. It's actually orange. Oh no! What is it? It's an earthquake! Ah! The stadium is rocking, literally. It's spinning around in circles. And they look like small bugs. Powered by batteries. And there goes the shoe! Wow. Okay. That was random.